Major alert, boys. The dating app Hinge just dropped a new update that is going to make dating significantly harder for the average man. And I am not going to gatekeep this from you guys, so pound that like button, hit subscribe, and let's break it down. So on Hinge, the average woman gets about 50 likes per day. So when she opens the app, she rarely goes through the feed and sends likes of her own. Instead, she's going to go through the liked you panel, see the guys who've already sent her a like, and accept matches in there. Now, before the Hinge update, this section used to sort likes by recency, meaning if you liked a girl's profile 5 minutes ago and she just opened the app, you'd be at the very top of the list and you'd be far more likely to match her. Now, after the update, likes are no longer automatically ranked by recency. Their new ranking system is called Your Type, the most popular profiles on Hinge. Profiles that she's most likely to be interested in and swipe right on. What does this really mean? If your profile isn't optimized, you can no longer scrape by sending out likes and hoping to get lucky by her opening the app in time to swipe right on you. Now, if your profile isn't optimized, it is going to be buried under dozens of guys who are considered her type. And look, bro, dating apps have never really felt fair for men, but this new Hinge update just made the gap between guys who are getting matches and guys who are not getting matches even wider. But there is a bright side. If you've watched any of my profile review streams, any of my profile content on YouTube in general, you know what I know, which is that probably 90% of men have absolutely no idea what they're doing on these apps. They have no idea what women are looking for. And more importantly, they have no idea that their profile includes common mistakes that make it easy for women to reject them. So the bright side of this Hinge update really is if you can optimize your profile, you're actually gonna get more matches than you ever did before, because it's no longer about timing or luck, and it all comes down to profile quality. And I know that this comes about as naturally to men as cooking a beef Wellington. So that's why I'm giving a free profile review to everyone who joins Riz University. This is a private one-on-one call where we go through your profile photo by photo, show you the common mistakes you're not even aware of that are causing women to reject you, and give you a custom game plan so you can create a top tier profile in just one day. The guys in Riz University are absolutely crushing it. And what you got to realize is these are the guys you're competing with on dating apps. Especially after this Hinge update, it's simply not enough to throw the 5 to 6 least crappy photos from your camera roll up on your profile and hope to get lucky. So if you've noticed a dip in your Hinge results over the past month, let me know down in the comments below. And if you are ready to level up, click the link down in the description of this video, and I'll see you in Riz University.